Hello people, welcome to the channel. Today we've got a different one for you. It's about a coffee machine. I'll show you. There you go, that coffee machine there. It's a Swann retro coffee machine. Yeah, but if you want to know how to work it, watch this video. Do not read them instructions. They are absolutely terrible. They just confuse you. So I'm going to do a video and show you how to work the coffee machine, because it's 130 quid new, and they're going on eBay now second hand for about 40-50 quid. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting one, they're well worth it. Brilliant coffee machine. So I'm going to show you how to work it in real time. First, you put your coffee in, your filter coffee. I use my Sainsbury's strong one. So you turn it on. I know it says coffee machine, how hard can it be to work? But read the instructions and they'll confuse the hell out of you. Basically, just put your thing in, turn it. So it's all you've done now is switched it on. Press that button to switch it on, and it'll automatically heat up and it'll get to temperature. And the coffee that this makes is it's amazing. You'll see now. So you might be able to start. So I'll give you a closer look of it. There you go. See, when it's boiling, you'll have the one light on, and when it's ready to put your coffee on, this will light up green. Oh, there you go. So you put your cup under and press. You've even put water in it. But not yet, loads of water in it. Oh, I might, because I used it to there you go. Can you see that cup? That for a coffee. And just press stop, and then take it out. Either drink it as espresso or put milk in it. But if you want a froth, use the frother. You press this one. So that's the top one. You press, and then when this turns yellow, that means it's ready to froth the milk. So we'll leave it there. You get this little thing with it. Well, I got the milk out, the milk. Where's my jar? Where's my jar? The jug, yeah, the milk jug there. And now you can see on the temperature it's gone to yellow. And the light's on. And then what you'll want to do is just for the first thing, just turn it a little bit for about 2 seconds, let the water come out, then get your milk. Turn it on. See, this is the only thing, I'm not sure whether it's because I bought it second hand and it might have a little leak somewhere. It does start to cool off, but it does eventually warm back up, so it's still over 100 degrees, so it's still boiling your milk. But when it's down here, it's about, I'd probably say about 110, 120 degrees when you're getting the pure steam. But yeah, it's very simple to follow. That one this button with a cup to pour your coffee, then press it to stop, and then that button for your milk. And press that to turn your steam off, and then off. It's done. If you milk a little thing, a little tap, and then what you always need to do is do this. Wipe the end of that. And then what I do is I'll just turn that back on, let some of the pressure out, and then so it's not turns it into a pressure cooker. So there's your coffee, there's your milk. That wasn't the best, but there you go. Nice little coffee from a nice little coffee machine. Best bargain coffee machine on the second-hand market. Best coffee. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video and it's useful. Have a good day, people. Bye.